Hi everyone, in this video we cover current affairs as on 7th and 8th of January 2022 from Nanmaya Education. The very first news we see is GOI flagship Ujala scheme completed 7 years. Flagship Ujala program of Ministry of Power successfully completed 7 years of distributing of selling LED lights. So they have completed 7 years successfully. So selling LED lights on Jan 5, 2022. Jan 5. This program was held on Jan 5, 2022. Ujala stands for Unnat Jyoti by affordable LEDs for all. This was launched by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi of India on Jan 5, 2015. This was launched on Jan 5, 2015. So it is the world's first largest zero subsidy domestic lighting program, more than 36.78 crore. On 5th January 2022, 48 billion kilowatt hour per annum energy has been saved. So the Private Limited. This prevalent across ancient cultures like Egypt, Chaldra, and India. The next news we see is Sea Dragon 2022 exercise has been started. India has joined Sea Dragon exercise. India and its partner in Quadrilateral Security Dialogue of Quad along with Canada and South Korea are participating in the multinational exercise Sea Dragon 2022 at Guam in Western Pacific. The exercise primarily focused on anti-submarine warfare (ASW). ASW stands for anti-submarine warfare. Training will involve more than 270 hours in a flight training and activities ranging from tracking simulated targets to tracking a US Navy submarine. Each event will be graded and the country scoring the highest point will receive the Dragon Belt Award. This exercise finally will get concluded with this Dragon Belt Award for the topmost scoring highest point in the almost over the countries. The next news we see is WHP, FP and Akshaya Patra Foundation has been partnered to enhance PM Poshan scheme. United Nations and World Food Program stands for WFP in India has partnered with the Akshaya Patra Foundation, that is TAPF, a not-for-profit organization to enhance the effectiveness for Pradhan Mantri Poshan Shakti Nirman, that is PM Poshan scheme, earlier known as National Program of Midday Meal in School. This partnership aims to enhance food safety and hygiene products capacity building to cook, helpers and nutritional quality of school meals. Since its inception in 1961, school meals have been a part of WFP mission. WFP has 6 decades of experience supporting school feeding and working with more than 100 countries to set up sustainable national school feeding program. This is a program which gives a midday meal in schools, and those who are in hunger they can eat in this program. So the next news we see is 19th meeting of NTCA. So National Tiger Conservation Association. So this meeting has been stressed upon the protection of conservation of 7 major big cats including cheetah numbering 50 over a period of 5 years will be introduced in various parks. So this meeting is only for the conservation of tigers throughout the nation. Water Atlas is also launched that maps all the water bodies in the tiger bearing areas of India. Landscape wise information have been outlined in this Water Atlas, which include Shivalik Hills, Gangetic Plain landscape, Central Indian landscape, Eastern Ghat, Western Ghat landscape, Northeastern Hills, Brahmaputra floodplains, Sundarbans. India for Tigers, a rally on wheels, was also organized under the aegis of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav by Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climate Changes was mega success. The fifth scale of All India Tiger Estimation, which is currently underway, will help in taking the currently policy decision. So, in this point, I have to note Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is also conducting a various competition for candidates, all those people. So, those who are interested, they can also participate in Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. The next news we see is Target Olympic Podium, that is TOP scheme. About Target Olympic Podium scheme was formulated on July 2014 under overall Amrit National Sports Development, that is NSDF Development Fund. Parent ministry of this top scheme is being implemented under the aegis of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sport, that is MYAS at Goa. Key objective of this top scheme is aims to identify, groom and prepare a potential medal prospects for Olympic and Paralympic Games. This also aims to provide financial assistance and other help to athletes in their pursuit of medals in the Olympics and other international sporting event. More than 50% of total expenditure of the National Sport Development Fund that has been incurred on the Target Olympic Podium scheme.